What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will receive support for the S Pen. Yes, Samsung Galaxy Note 21 is no longer needed. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will receive stylus support. The Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup will be presented early next year. Coming in the video, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra latest features updates, a new stylus S Pen, release date, and many other great assumptions. Please watch full video content. The well-known network informant ICE Universe has stated at Samsung, in connection with which he is often the first to publish news directly from the research and development department of the South Korean company, which is later confirmed. The senior representative of the family of the future flagship smartphones, Samsung Galaxy S21 will acquire support for the proprietary S Pen stylus, which will turn out into an analog of the Galaxy Note devices. There have been rumors on the internet for a long time that Samsung may abolish the Galaxy Note series since the devices in terms of characteristics and capabilities do not differ too much from the Galaxy S smartphones, complete with a flexible display. At the same time, the main feature of the Galaxy Note, support for the S Pen, will supposedly migrate to the Galaxy S devices. In particular, the Galaxy S21 Ultra device, which will debut in January analog with the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus models, is supposedly able to work with this stylus. I can confirm with 100% certainty that the Galaxy S21 Ultra supports the S Pen, said by latest tech insider ICE Universe, who has previously provided accurate data on upcoming Samsung products on several occasions, said on his Twitter page. It has previously been rumored that the proprietary S Pen stylus may be supported in the flagship Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra smartphone, and that the Galaxy Note series will eventually be replaced by the Z Fold line as soon as the next generation of foldable screens are tough enough to work with the stylus. According to the available information, the Galaxy S21 Ultra will include a 6.8 inches WQHD 1440p display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a 108 megapixel ISOCELL HM3 multimedia camera, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 or Samsung Exynos 2100 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery. Also, the flagship should receive support for 45-watt wide charging. The announcement of the smartphone is expected on January 14th next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.